Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Nobel courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be creating an animation only when the player touches a part. So they jump on the part and then the animation starts to work. Let's go ahead, let's do this. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing over here, I will fast forward this, but we do need to design the game, because right now it just looks completely boring. So give me a few minutes, give me a few seconds. With the power of editing, this will go super fast. Alright, now that this is all done, the next step that we have to do will be adding a part. And this part, we need to anchor it. And as soon as that's anchored, I'm going to make it the whole size of this dance floor. So make it as wide and as long as you want. This is all up to you. This is the part that if the player touches this, then they will start to dance or do your animation. It doesn't have to be a dance, it can be any type of animation. But I'll anchor that, and after it's anchored, transparency will be setting it to 1. 1 means it will be fully invisible. There we go. So it's still over there. Just to make it better to understand and more organized, we'll change it from part to dance part. I'll click plus. We'll add a script. Let's rename this to animation script. Now that we've added the animation script, all that's left to do is to actually go ahead and write the script. I'll fast forward a bit this part as well, but take a look. Local part is equal to script.parent, and all that we're doing over here, we're saying script.parent, so the parent is always the one above it. So whenever we say part, for example, player touched the part is referring to this whole part over here, to the dance floor. Another way that we can write this down is game.workspace.dance part. But this is much longer, so it's better to write script.parent. Both of them are exactly the same. The one over here, game, refers to the whole game, everything that's inside the game. Workspace, because the dance part is inside the workspace. Dance part. Usually I prefer to write script.parent. Then local dance animation underscore ID is equal to, and over here is where you need to copy and paste your animation ID. Now if you already have this, that's amazing, that's perfect. You just need to paste it. If you don't have it, you can watch this video over here, and that will help you to know how to create and also copy your animation ID. Now, I'll be sending you all of the script. It will be in the Discord and it will also be in the comments below. Let's go ahead, let's test it out, and everything should be working well now. Play. There's the dance floor, there's the DJ. And there it goes. Now after I leave, after a few seconds, it will stop, and as soon as I touch it again, there's the dance. That's quite cool. Write down in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you again in the next one, and make sure to like and subscribe, and you can join the Discord, which is completely for free. See you all in the next one. Keep learning and keep coding.